What's up, guys? Welcome back. Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. In today's test drive, this is 1965 Ford Mustang with a 6-cylinder under the hood. This one does have power brakes, and we'll be taking it down the road, pointing out flaws so you know what you're getting before you get here. The automatic car, beautiful paint job, nice interior, detailed pictures, financing, shipping, available at maplemotors.com. And of course, I do this every day, so hit subscribe and share this video. We're getting ready to take off here. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Of course, she is still very cold. I just pulled it next door. I was trying to let her warm up for a second. I'm gonna have to give it a little bit more time. So let's go ahead and start it. And across the dash, it doesn't look bad. The carpet in this one looks pretty good too. I like it. I've got my foot in the throttle, just kind of trying to warm her up a little bit. No power steering in this one. Blower motor. It is working. I heard it. It's kicked on. Blowing from the floor there. Radio. Oh, I need to cut it off. Okay. Looked like high on the blower motor was over this way. Backwards. And I think off's in the middle. Yeah, and low's over to the right. Huh, a little different. Wipers, work. Cutting them off. You gotta cut it off at the right time. There we go. Turn signals. Left side's blinking. Then we'll try the right. Right side's blinking. Engine temperature's still cold right now. Gas gauge is on E, and it's showing 27,000 miles. Let's see if it'll pop up. Trying to get it to pop up. A little hazy in there, but that's what it says. 27,984. Interior, package tray, and of course the headliner. All look pretty good. Place your bets. Do you think the horn works? I haven't personally tried it yet. Ready? Don't think the horn is hooked up on this one. There's nothing I can do to make it work. All right. Should be good and warm. We're gonna go ahead and shut the hood and take off down the road. Okay, getting ready to roll out here. Watching out for this old transport truck. There's traffic like crazy in here too. See, I'm gonna back up. Parking lot's all messed up over here. It's getting ready to get crazier because they're putting the city's making us put grass all out front for some reason, and changing the configuration of the parking lot over here. Right now, it's already kind of cluttered because a lot of these businesses will use our parking lot, which is fine, but the city's taking that away from them, so I don't know what they're going to do. We'll have plenty of parking, and it'll be in this parking lot next door. I'll explain everything. I'll actually make a video about it, going over where to park and how to get in here once all that happens. It's pretty dangerous right here right now, though, because you can't see anything. Gonna get out front. Okay, here we go. Heading to the gas station. Whoa, dude. See how people are? Alright, here we go. Speedometer on this one is coming up. When you let go of the steering wheel, it pulls to the left pretty good. Got a left pull. Getting in the throttle, it's not kicking down. So the kick down, passing gear is not hooked up on this one. Getting into the brakes. Well, the brakes feel pretty good. The front end still got that left pull though. gas station here. The idle's very very low on this one. I may turn it up just a hair. Just because it's so quiet, I can't hardly hear it running. But it's still running. It's a quiet motor. All right. We're gonna get about $20 worth of fuel. Right now we're on E. I'll be right back. Okay, this thing's up here popping. The paint is beautiful. Had a few people stop and check her out at the gas station as well. Got some fuel in behind the horse here. Let's check that gauge out. Jump in the driver's seat, turn the ignition on. Gauge is not working. It's not moving at all. Okay, got y'all on the head cam, heading back to the lot. I idled it up just a little bit. It seems to be running a lot better, especially now that it is up in the 700 range on RPMs. Got to manually turn off your turn signals. A little bit of slack in that steering there. It's turning there and it's turning there. When you let go of the steering wheel, it does pull to the left. I know I mentioned that to begin with, but it's still doing it. Nothing's changed on that. Nice little bump in the middle of the road up here. Kind of listen for shakes, rattles, and rolls. We're coming up on it now. Right here. Just smooth. Suspension's great on this one. Okay. Here we go. Pulling back into the lot. Guys, I appreciate you watching. Detailed pictures, financing, and shipping at maplemotors.com. And I got more to do, so stick around. Here we go. Looking for the flaws. Anything I find, you'll know about it. Jump on maplemotors.com. Look at the detailed pictures we provide of each and every car. Here we go. Front bumper on this one in good shape. Lower portion here actually is in great shape too. I don't see a lot of issues up front here. It's pretty clean. Up and over. Oh, chip right here. Got some pitting on your lower trim. A little bit of pitting here on your chrome. Door handle looks great. Over the top. A little bit of pitting here on your antenna. Looking over your front windshield. Windows look good, trim looks good. A little bit of pitting here on some of your chrome. Coming down your back section. Not bad. Looking over your back window. Trim looks good. You're good.
No, please don't.
Oh, you're fine.
I thought you were having trouble.
Oh, no, you're fine. I don't think I got you in there. Oh, wow. I got you. No, I appreciate it. No, you didn't bother me. I'm just reviewing a car. Okay, that's no problem. Thanks. Coming around the back here, the chrome on that looks nice and clean. At the bottom here, tail lights have been replaced. That's a nice lady. She thought I was broke down. Little cracks here in your jam. It's clean. The seal looks good. It's been replaced. Trunk itself looks good. A little bit of surface rust back here. A little wet. Let's look over this side. A little damp over here too. Gas tank. Around in the back. Coming down with a trunk lid. Shuts pretty good. Little spot there on the trunk lid. back on the front here, down the lower portions. A little bit of pitting at the bottom. Bubble there. Bottom of the door. Little crack there. Little spot there. A little bit of pitting on your chrome there on the side. Back over the top here. Mirror's in good shape. Seal looks good. Chrome around your vent window is not bad. Door handle looks good. A little scratch there above it. A little bit of pitting on your trim here. Front window looks good. Trim's all right. Seal also good. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the interior. Get this thing started up. Door panel here. Chrome on it. Coming off. A little bit of pitting around your vent window, a little bit of pitting on your door handles. Seal looks good, bottom of the door. Seat looks pretty good. Carpet's in good shape. I idled the car up just a hair. Now, shouldn't have any issues. It was just idled down too much. I mean, it was idled down so much the screw was loose. I turned it up with my fingers and grabbed the flathead. And it's just right here. See that screw there? Everything looks nice and clean too. But it's running a lot better. It was just very, very low on my idle. And now it's good. Coming down with the hood. Little spot there. Little crack here in the hood, really small. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching. Detailed pictures, financing, shipping, all at maplemotors.com. And I've got some more cars to do, so stick around. You can check out our playlist below, cars currently available. I'm constantly putting new stuff on every Monday. Thanks, guys.